Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are having a great day. In today's video, we are making a DIY Toran, also called as Thoranam in Tamil. For making this Toran, we need woolen threads, or you can use any other macrame cords as well. I have taken 3 meters of woolen thread and I'm wrapping around my fingers. Once I'm done wrapping, I'm using the smaller cord or the smaller thread to tie it around. I make one knot and I'm pulling it off from my fingers. Then I am securing it with multiple knots. Here I am making two different designs using the same wrapping method. For the green color I have kept the design as it is, but for the pom-pom ball I am cutting through the loops. Once we are done cutting through the loops, it will look something like this, which is not close enough to the pom-pom balls. To turn this into a pom-pom ball, we need to do 2 more steps, for which I am keeping a circular shaped paper or a cardboard over it. Then I am cutting all through the edges. Once you think it is in a circular shape, then you can remove the paper, then press from another angle again and place the paper over and do the same step one more time. So here comes our last step, for which we need to roll it between our hands, thereby we get a round and fluffy ball shape. We need some beads for this project, for which I am taking a bell shaped, also some rounded beads. For the thread I am going for a nylon thread which is transparent as well as elastic in nature. I have inserted the thread into the needle. To start off I am adding some beads, after which I am following the same pattern throughout. I am adding a green, pink, and I am adding 3 beads, smaller, bigger and a smaller again. Then I am adding yellow pom-pom followed by same 3 beads. And then inserting pink and green. So the same pattern I am following again. Here I am showing it again in a slow motion for you guys to remember the pattern. So here comes our tassel part, for which I am trying a new pattern here. I am inserting 5 small beads, then a bigger bead, then 5 small beads again, followed by a bell shaped bead, then the green pom-pom, followed by our yellow pom-pom. For the second layer I have reduced the number of beads, so I am adding 7 small beads here. Then adding a bell shaped bead and a green pom-pom and a yellow pom-pom. I am finishing it off with a single bead. I have removed the needle and then I am inserting the thread into the last bead and I am making a knot. As you can see, I have inserted the thread through the bead and then I am trying to make a knot. I am securing it with multiple knots. Once we are done with our knots, we can move everything towards the last bead. So I have made enough for tassels. So once we are done with our tassels, I am inserting it to the main strand. I have made the pattern in such a way that I am going to add the tassels only to the yellow pom-pom. I am using the same technique of adding a bead at the end and I am making a loop by inserting it through the bead and I am making a knot. So that brings us to the end of the project. I am hanging the Toran in my entrance. You can hang the same on your puja room entrance or on the wall as a backdrop. Please let me know in the comment section guys if you like this idea. Also share it with your friends as it will be very helpful for them during the Diwali makeover. I'll catch you all in the next one. Until then, stay creative and keep supporting, guys. Bye.